Hi students, in this video we are going to see the study plan for last 4 days. Since ABC 10th standard we have exam in 4 days. So what you should learn before you go to the exam we'll see in this video. First of all, you must be thorough with the construction part. That is where exercise number 11.1 question number 1 alone. That is division of a line segment by the given ratio. And the 11.2 there are 7 questions in that book. So all the construction sums are very important because you will be expecting 1 3-mark question from the construction. So see to that you have constructed all the problem once before you go to the examination. Second, we are going to see the circle chapter. So circle chapter examples 2 and 3 is important, that you just do it once. And from exercise number 10.2 we have many important questions. From question number 4 to question number 7 they will be asking 2 or 3 mark questions, and from question number 8 to question number 13 you can expect 1 4-mark question because all those questions which is given in our book is very important. And the statistics chapter, here we cannot say that this and that problem will be important, that we cannot say, but these are all the concepts are very important. Some table will be given. For the table you need to find the mean or median or mode. They will be asking you to find the any one of the mean, median, mode values, or else any two values will be given, mean and mode will be given. They will be asking the median value without giving any table. For that we should use a empirical relationship. That is very simple. You just write it 2, here 1, the center number will be 3. So that is 3 times median equal to 2 times mean plus 1 time mode. This is called the empirical relationship of the mean, median, mode. Actually this is a very important expected question from a statistics chapter. Any two of the variable value will be given. One they will be asking, you have to apply it directly. Just apply the value and you can find the which they are asking value. Last one is a missing frequency. So the table will be given along with some mean or median or mode value. In our table some frequencies will be getting missed, that we have to find out by using the mean, median, mode formulas. So that is a 4-mark question. Now the next one we are going to see the application of trigonometry. So we have only one exercise in our book along with 7 examples. So you no need to do all the problems from 9.1, but some different sums are there, like the speed is given, how many minutes will be taken to reach the tower, and the complementary angles are given. So in between the two roads, if you are standing somewhere in the middle of the road, you are seeing 2 poles. Some important questions that alone you can solve along with exemplar problems. So exemplar, we have a book in the name of exemplar. If you don't have, please do download from the Google Play Store app exemplar CBSE 10th standard max book. You will be getting a PDF. From that you try to solve the application of trigonometrical problems. Those problems are very important. And surface area and volume concept. So here you can accept 3 types of sums. First one is some shapes will be melted and recast into the other shapes. In that you have to make the volumes are equal. The next case you can expect water falling problems from the dam or from the pipe. The flowing speed will be given. The application of the water flowing you can expect some question. And the last one is a combined figure. Some cone is fixed on the hemisphere, or the hemisphere is fixed on the cube, or with the cylinder 2 cones and or 2 hemisphere are attached, like that some combined figure will be given. For that they will be asked you to find out the surface areas or volume. So combined figure sums they can ask you. Only these 3 types you can expect from the exam point of view. And the next chapter is arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression some series will be given. They will be asking you to find the SN, that is sum of the series they will be asking. Then how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7, divisible by 4? How many is not divisible, like that question. How many terms are there in the series you can expect. And AN in terms of SN formula. Sn minus Sn minus 1 is a very rarely using formula. that also can be asked in the examination. And our last chapter is a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation, you can expect to apply the nature of the root. For example, discriminant value, if it is greater than 0, it is real and distinct. If it is equal to 0, real and equal. So some equation will be given to you. If the roots are equal roots, find the k value or p value, something they will be asking. So that's very important, discriminant value. The next one, they will be asked you to find the or form a quadratic equation when the roots are given to you. The roots are given, they will be asked you to find the quadratic equation. So you can find the roots and sum of the root and you can apply it in the quadratic formation. That x squared minus sum of the roots x plus product of the root equal to 0. That is a basic condition for a quadratic equation. So you can substitute and you can find the quadratic equation value. Then sum is minus b by a and product is c by a. That application sums also you can expect from the quadratic equation. So quadratic equation, you can solve more problem from some sample papers or some reference book like R.D. Sharma, Oswell or Arihan. So we cannot expect the same question from the book, but you can go for some reference book. It will help you for your exam. If you feel the video is useful, please share with your friends. Subscribe our channel for more videos.